Money and mental health can be two really hard things to talk about, and it can make you feel isolated, especially if you're going through both things at once. Can you share a time when you felt this way and what you did to feel less alone?
It's hard to tell like whether it's like the chicken or the egg, which one comes first. If it's the mental health stuff that affects the money, if it's the money that affects the mental health, and then throw motherhood in there, and it's a doozy. Transitioning into being a biological
Mm-hmm.
mom because I have a 10-year-old bonus daughter. I've been parenting her for a couple of years now, but getting pregnant and birthing my biological child was a completely different experience. Regardless, parenting is a lot. Okay, so I think between like going from being responsible for yourself to then being responsible for other little humans, and all the intricacies that come along with that is huge. And so children alone is a huge life adjustment, and the stresses around money can be overwhelming, and wanting to make sure that you can provide for them a lot of the times, especially for women. I know myself, is like wanting to be able to give them everything that they want and need, you know what I mean? Because we feel like they deserve it, right? And so um, I did see a dip in my income, and I was preparing for my maternity leave, and I was a full-time entrepreneur at the time, so I didn't have any other funded maternity leave. It was me. So I prepared for that, but just even still experiencing the dip in income, which I know a lot of women experience when they have a child, even when you're prepared, can still create some level of just low-lying stress, right? And dealing with that really for me has been leaning on support. Right now my aunt is with my son and my bonus kid downstairs, having online communities that are supportive. So whether it's other mom groups or the masterminds that I'm in, getting my own coaching and things like that. I know that the Self Builders is a tight knit community, and so I think being able to lean into community is really huge. Especially, I'm from Uganda, so coming from Africa, collectivity, community is everything. They say it takes a village, but not just to raise a child. It takes a village to support a family. And so it's not just about the kid, it's about who's going to step in to be there to support mom and dad or auntie or everyone in the system, right? And so I think community is a really huge proponent.